and I'm just going from end to end. I don't have to go to the end of the door, okay? I'm just concentrating in the middle now, right there, down the bottom. Got my 4-inch mini roller, just like that. Now I'm gonna build up. Can you see me in this camera, lady? Now I'm just gonna build some on here. Grab some more paint. Put just a little more on there like that. Now I can go back and fill it in. And I want it nice and even. Okay, this one's got a doorknob in it. Okay, I just want to get all the paint on there nice and even first, okay? Now I'm going to take my roller and I'm going to go over it and try to go nice and straight along there, all the way down in one go. Okay, you don't want to stop and start. Now I'm going over that way, like that, and I'm going to wipe this where the doorknob goes, and wipe that off on the craft paper. Okay, I'm going to grab some more paint, and I'm going to do this edge. Just going to kind of get it on there. Now I know it's pretty much even, and I got most of it off the paint roller now. Now I can go back with the paint roller and just fill it and make it nice and even. I can kind of tell get it on there. Okay, now I'm going from top to bottom. See, I'm not stopping, am I? All the way up like that. Now I can do the middle. I try to roll as I get the paint out of here, I try to get it off the edges a little bit. You can get on that edge and the back edge like that. Okay, now I'm just going to kind of soak this. And I'm going to get just a little bit more. I'm trying to just get an even flow on here. And the fake wood grains are going up and down, but I can run it sideways just to get the paint on first off. Now I'm just trying to layer it on there nice and even. The whole thing. Okay, now I'm going to go from bottom to top, just beyond this edge and just above this edge with my roller. That way I don't leave any lines, okay? Mommy did a good job. She painted all these insets first with the paintbrush. That took her forever. That took you a long time, didn't it?
Yep.
Took you
hours. Hours.
3 or 4 hours. Okay?
Probably.
So roll that like that. I'm just putting it on sideways and the grains are going up and down, but that's okay. I'm just getting it on there. Okay, get it on there even. You'll be able to tell. You want a nice even amount on there, okay? Okay, now I'm going from top to bottom, just above that, just down below, up, down, move it along, like that, okay? Look at that. Now, before I finish, I want to hit this edge off again. Just that little edge. And I see I got a little goober right there. And because I got that there, I don't want to just hit it like that. I want to hit it, and I'm seeing a little bit down there. So every once in a while, you're going to get a little goober in your paint, okay? So now I'm going to go from top to bottom again. I'm not going to do just that one little spot, okay? Like that. And I'm going to hit this edge, okay? Like that, okay?
All right.
All right. Now we're going to do one more door.
I think we're done.
We're going to do one more door, baby. It's not taking me any longer to talk and work at the same time. Okay, I can do that. Okay, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna do the top, like that. I'm gonna do the middle, here, like that. I'm gonna grab just a little bit more. I'm gonna do that bottom.
Sorry.
Now I've got my paint roller. I don't have so much layered on there. I initially tried to do it just the top first, but I had too much paint on my roller. And I thought, hey, I'll just do all three of them at the same go. You know? That. That's why you need those blocks underneath your doors. If I had this all the way down to the craft paper, it would never work. And then it would stick to the paper too. Now to do the sides. Jump the door knob, get that on there. Get the flow on there. Top to bottom. Okay. Now I'm going to do it for real. Here. Like that. And then over here. That. Wipe the knob off. Oh man, I hate that. I can take some of that off and put it down there. Okay. Now I can go back straight up and then over here. Now let's say if there's a little mark there. I got a mark like that. Now, to fix that, I just go from this point to that point, like that. Boom. Fix that. You see anything hard about this? If you got any coordination, you can do this. And it doesn't take long to get good at it. Okay? You don't have to be a professional painter. You don't have to pay somebody thousands of dollars to paint your doors, your door frames, your door casings, your baseboard, your window seals, your walls. You start doing stuff yourself. You can save. Okay? Top to bottom. That. If you got just a flat door without these insets, it wouldn't take as long because you wouldn't have to paint those. We had to paint those with the paintbrush first. Okay, now I'm going from top to bottom, top to bottom. That. Now I'm going to remember to hit this edge in case I got a little buildup on it. Boom. And this edge. Boom. Okay, that's all I'm going to show you. When I get done with these doors, I'm going to go back and I'm going to double check, make sure I don't have any runs anywhere. Okay? Because if you have a run, you can fix it with your mini roller before you call it good. Once tomorrow comes and there's a run here, and if I have to scrape it off, then I've got to touch this up, and I can still fix it. Or anything's fixable with paint. Okay? But do it once over when you get all done, and maybe you won't have to do stuff like that. Okay? So now, I'm just going to keep going. I got 5 more doors, 5 more door sides. It's only going to take just as long as that, and then we're out of here, aren't we, Mommy? Okay, that's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. Yeah.
Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.